ENC S001 AF S001 15 inches color DE. So ano to, MCX Virtus. So full metal unit, metal yung front assembly, metal din the receiver with MCX markings or SIG markings. Ayan. So kompleto yan, and then naka BCM grip din, polymer grip. So na foldable stock, SIG na stock, and then may front and rear sight na rin, so adjustable. Ayan, so tatlong kulay ang meron tayo dito, isang gray, isang black, at saka itong ito-test natin na DE. So battery compartment niya pala dito sa loob ng handguard. And then kasama out of the box, may kasama na siyang LiPo battery at saka charger. So magazine is mid-cap magazine, 120 rounds. Price is 15,400. And by the way, shoutout kay Sir Harris. So nagpasama pa si Bossing ng ano ng EOTech set. Ayan. G43 set. Sige, test natin. So check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. .446, 441, 450 auto. Okay, so by the way, hindi ko pala nabanggit kanina na yung magazine release is ambi. Ayan, and then yung selector niya ambi din. Yung bolt release is working, ito, and then yung trigger niya is metal din. Okay, so yun lang. For inquiries, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavs Hobby Shop.